Hey guys, how are you? So I'm excited once again to make this video. Again, this is not a repeat video. It's a brand new video with information about the phone I'm going to use, the iPhone 13 Pro Max. So I made a video quite like it was in the middle of October or beginning of October, and I opened my iPhone 13 Pro Max. So something happened on that particular phone, and I'll explain. I had to return it, and then I got the newer one. So it is different color, and I'm going to explain why I changed the phone, the Pro Max, again to get another Pro Max. How was it? Okay, so this is how the story is. So for those who do not know, if you are watching from other countries, so the phone here we use on basically kind of like a contract. So you have for 2 years. After 2 years, you are going to get the newer one. You can go and upgrade and get the newer one, and you go to pay on monthly basis based on your bill. So you add a certain amount for the equipment for the phone you are going to have. But for me, I was using iPhone 11. I used the 7. So I didn't get on 8. I didn't get when it came 10. I didn't get those one. So on the 11, I had to change. I got 11 because when I had my iPhone 7 had some problems, and I was using it for quite some time. So I said it's time to change. So my iPhone 11, I had insurance, which you pay apart from the equipment. I was paying extra $18. Which there is within, if you have insurance on your phone, on top of that, in the normal bill you are paying, there is something called the jump. So if your phone, you haven't even used it for 2 years, and then the new phone comes, if you want to upgrade, you get another upgrade even before those 2 years, and you don't get punished for that. So when I got my iPhone 11, because I got it because my phone was not working well, the audio, everything, iPhone 7 was a problem. And then 2 or 3 months later, iPhone 12 came out. So my wife got iPhone 12, so I didn't want to change. I continued to use my 11. So when 13 came out, and I saw what is called the cinematic mode, that is a game changer for any person doing content, like especially on the video part. I understand they are very good in terms of the photos, but for me, the purpose of buying this one is not about the photo. I'm not too much a photo guy. I'm more into content creation. So this phone is just like taking my big Canon 80D with the modified lens and all other kind of things, and they squeeze it and put it into the phone. So I called him. I was in Tanzania at that time, so I called my company, which is T-Mobile I'm using. So I talked to T-Mobile. I was doing something with them, and then I asked about my status. They said, oh, by the way, you have a jump. And a jump with the insurance, I've been paying $18 extra. They say you don't need to wait for 2 years to change the phone. What you need to do, we are going to order you the phone, iPhone 13, because you have to do pre-order. At the moment, you cannot just go and get all the phones, like, yeah. So they say we're going to do the order, and you'll get your phone, and you'll not pay anything. I paid just $60, $65 to be exactly, and that was because of the taxes I have to pay. So I didn't pay extra like upfront money. So the phone they sent to me, the one they had at that time, it was gold. This is not gold. I will show you the color. It was the gold iPhone Pro Max 13. So, but the capacity. So usually these phones, they have storage. So the one they gave me, it was 128 gigabytes. For the iPhone 11, which I'm using, is 256, something like that. So still, I cannot record so many videos on 11 because already it has so many videos, there were so many pictures, so many other things. So when I had that one, iPhone 13 Pro Max with the 128 gigabytes as storage, when I moved most of my apps and everything to Pro Max 13, the storage was so small left. I cannot record 1 hour video non-stop. So if I reach 20 minutes, it stops because already full. So I had to record maybe 15 minutes, then upload, then go and delete that video. I said, this is disturbance. And it is disturbance because when I hold the iPhone 13 Pro Max, please, if you are a YouTuber, if you are basing on making videos as part of your content, trust me, you don't need to buy a camera, just buy Pro Max. Cinematic mode is a complete game changer. So because I came to realize that I'll be making so many videos basing on just the phone, and I want to be comfortable to make so many quality video wherever I go, if I'm traveling, wherever, even if I don't have the camera, because some places you want to record something, and because of the big camera, they can stop you from recording because they know it is a mass production. But you can use a phone and you can produce the best video the same as you having that one. So it's easier for me to travel with the phone and just record that way. So I said I have to increase the storage. So if I have to increase the storage, I have to pay for that, because they're not going to allow me, because the one I got like free, but I'll be paying on my bill without paying what we call down payment of any kind, is because I have to return my 11 and they'll give me that one automatically for free. I'll be paying on the bills. So what they said will be the other way would be, I have to pay like $100, whatever. If I want 250, 60, I have to pay was $450 to $500 extra down payment. I'll return my iPhone 11 and they pay like $500, whatever, 400 something. Then they'll give me GB 556. I asked, so the highest, the first phone with 1000 GB, 1 terabytes is iPhone 13 Pro Max. To my knowledge, people can correct me for those who know that. So they say they have 1 TB. So I asked, can I get it? They said, obviously you have to order a special order for that particular case. So when I ordered, it was on October, was beginning of October, I think. Because I used the previous one for 2 days, then I returned it. So I called them, they say they send me the shipment, I returned that one. When I return, they say when they receive that one, they're going to make it the order of the newer one. So this is the order of the new Pro Max. So they said the shipment, if I change the color, it will arrive at the same time. So there was no waiting. Like the other one was gold, was quicker than the other one. I don't know why people like it. I didn't like much of the gold, but because I'll be using the cover. The color doesn't matter a lot. So I got the newer one. So this is 1 terabytes Pro Max. So I had to pay extra. I'm returning this one, iPhone 11, to return to them, and I paid like 630, something like that, with all those kind of things. So I'm going to open the newer one. So, but no matter what, it doesn't change the quality or the recording or everything. But man, this is the newest thing ever, where the storage, usually nowadays, so they say, obviously they send you over the phone. So I changed the color, so from the gold to this bluish color which they have. So this is the difference from what I had from the beginning, and this is the newer version of the Pro Max I have. So let me opening, and I'll be using this phone. Most of my videos now I'll be using Pro Max instead of. So the funny part usual nowadays from iPhone 12, when you buy, they just give the charger this one, because this, and then you have to buy this one separately. It's just like $25. But when I was buying mine, usually they give the charger. Nowadays, they just find different ways to get you extra, which is so upsetting. Why someone is paying over 1,600 or 1,700, whatever, and you don't just finding a way on how you can be able to help the person just to get just the charger, just like this one you don't give. So you give this one and you get extra. And nowadays they don't sell the phone with headphone. They don't. You have to buy the headphone separately. So in entire container, this one is just the phone, and just here there is just like instruction and the iPhone sticker, just the Apple sticker, and the pin if you want to the pin which you want to if you want to put the line, things of that nature. That's all. So this is the Pro Max iPhone 13 unboxing. So yeah, so this is I'm going to use I tried to use the other one, so it will be the same. Yeah, so I changed the color. This will be the newer one, so I'm just waiting. But overall, trust me, this thing is a complete game changer for those people who are doing videos. Do whatever it takes to get the Pro Max. I mean, iPhone 13, I believe even normal 13 Pro and the Pro Max, they have all this cinematic mode. So this is going to open, changing the language. I'm going to use with English, country automatic United States. Yeah. Okay. So I'll just do this one separately, and I will come to make videos to show you how I do this one. And for those who do not know, one thing before I finish, usually these are fake background. I've been telling people you can get them on Amazon. So for those, yeah. So another one is there. I have different backgrounds. I have some over there. So okay. So I'm going to start fixing this one before going to start recording more videos using the phone. So this one I will be able to do a lot of vlog outside and talking a lot of things from outside than carrying the big camera with the stick, all these kind of things. So stay tuned, everyone. EBM here. Bye bye.